I'm going to be showing you here today how to select your articles for your effects of EM radiation on matter assessment. So to use that, we're going to be using the Gale InfoTrack Student Edition. So it's going to be this page right here. To get there, what I'd like you to do is go to this address. If you need to pause the video and copy this down, you can. But this address right here will take you to the correct page, this guy right here. Once you get there, you're going to click on this Student Edition section for InfoTrack Student Edition. I'm already logged in, but for you, it's going to bring up a username and login. Those are on the board. So once you get those filled in, it'll take you here. And so this is your main search page for your articles. So this will search through a number of different articles from multiple magazines, multiple newspapers, dating back over the last few decades. So you can type in your search term in the search box. You got a couple options I'd suggest using. Either use the basic search or the entire document. The entire document will take you through the full text of everything. I'd start with basic search, and then if you can't find what you're looking for, go ahead and try entire document. So one example of something that you might look for is you might look for, let's say, cell phone radio waves. And then you might look for, say, the word health. That way you can sort of get an idea on a possible effect here. And that'll pull up some arguments here. So, for example, here we have information on cell phone safety found insufficient. So we have to look at the claims on that. Another option you could use would be either safe, or it might be even the word safety would be another word you could use on those. And you just search the articles for one that might apply. Are cell phones safe? Or questions like, cell phones powers. And so once you get there, you can always take a look at those articles and see if that makes sense, if that's an appropriate article that has a claim about the effect of EM radiation on matter, and then that claim is one you could evaluate. So other arguments for things you could search for here is you could search for a type of EM radiation instead of a type of thing. So we could say microwave as a type of EM radiation, and then let's say health, and then that would bring up some possibilities. So it talks about microwave popcorn roof health halo. Click in the article and see what that would mean in here. Or, nuking food, is your kitchen microwave safe? These are types of things that you could search for. So these are some examples of the way you'd search for these. So what I'd like you to do is start going ahead and searching for an article. Once you find one, bring it up to me. We'll take a look at it and see if it's an appropriate article that has a good claim that you can then evaluate.